up guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs. My GMC Denali lovers are going to love this build. Krietz Customs just got done this 2017 GMC 1500 Denali, and we added that 6-inch rough country suspension system on there just to get a little bit more ground clearance, but also to get that off-road appearance. The wheel and tire, if you come down here, is going to be the MO962. It's going to be a 22x10 with a -24 offset, and this is going to stick out about 2 inches past those fenders compared to the 22x12s that we usually put on our vehicles that stick out about 4 inches with that -44 offset. The tire is going to be that Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 35/12/50/22, and this is going to be really good for on-road plus off-road, and it's going to have a great off-road appearance. If you guys like this build and you're ready to build yours, make sure you check out our website at KrietzCustoms.com, and if you want to build now but pay later, take advantage of our 0% financing options. Click the link below to get more details.